which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which will address many of the basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.